Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we have this platform called Social Pilot, and this is the best social media management tool. Using this you can easily get different type of media management, and now you can head over to the link in the description to simply get your extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards. So make sure to check that out. Now, talking about this platform, the very first thing that you need to do in here is connect your account, and it could be of your Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and much more. So basically, since it is a social media management tool, of course it is going to be providing you a lot of different features, like for example, if you want to manage your posts, if you want to create a post for different platforms, and you can do that. And if you click on post, you can see you have your AI assistant, manage posts, calendar, and if you head over to your calendar, you can simply schedule different type of content and posts. You also have your pending review, drafts, and you can see you have your accounts. If you want to connect your account or manage that, you have your groups. You can even create groups and manage groups as well. You can check out your analytics for different social media platforms. Inbox services also available for different type of platforms, so every notification and message is going to be displayed in here. You can see your content and setup. So a really nice platform in my opinion. Now if you want to dive a bit more into the reviews and what people are saying about it, you can go to this platform and you can see that now easy to use and manage multiple social media accounts, so people are really liking it, so it's a must try. You can head over to the link in the description to get your extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.